A day in my life as a research assistant.
Welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, we're done with our work and we're supposed to attend the flag retreat. But look and listen kung ano ang naabtan namon nga flag retreat. So the students and faculty are dancing. They are doing Zumba. And it's kind of cute to see these people doing this activity together. So ang imo, retired danceress sa eskwelahan, malabay lang, kay late na kami, wala kami kabot, so nagsugod gid ng Zumba. So we're shy nga mag-join. So nagkatulang kami dito sa kilid, nagulat-hulat nga mag-start ang flag retreat while watching them. And what really caught our eyes is ang teachers, faculty, sa Mosqueda campus, especially ang si Sir Tagarda. Kay grabe gid ang hataw ya sa Zumba, no? Hindi gid magpapugong. Pero syempre, si Ma'am Bells, hindi mo na magpa-perde. Nantawa niya lang ilang ang mga moves la. Grabe gid ka sadya basta sa Mosqueda campus kagaskwela, and I'm lucky to be part of it. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.